Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is me Yasir Shah and you are watching my YouTube channel Students Help Desk. Today we will discuss grade 10 English unit 9, which is a poem equipment. The word equipment is used here as a metaphor, and the theme of this poem is confidence, courage, determination, and it is written by Edgar Guest, an American poet. So we'll go through some glossary, some difficult words and their synonyms as well as meanings. So let's get started. First word is utilize, which means use, फायदा उठाना. Qualities, traits, characteristics, khususiyat. Blessed, endowed, अता करना या अता किया हुआ. Figure out. Now, dear students, this is phrasal verb. It means to discover, to be able to understand something or to solve a problem. मालूम करना, पता लगाना. Late, greatest. It's the superlative degree of adjective and the synonym is grandest and the meaning is azim tareen. Equipment, azar, resources. Top, apex or peak. Knives and forks means tableware, laces, twine, fite, dori or tasme. Then we have tie. It means to bind something. Brave, it means courageous. Triumph, success. Skill, art. Rise, it's a verb, rise, rose, risen, and it means utna or originate. Deeds, acts. Handicap, mental or physical disadvantage. Furnish, equip, arasta karna. The next one, within, it means inside. So now we have comprehension. Question number 1. Paraphrase the second stanza of the poem Equipment. Paraphrase of the second stanza. You must look upon the lives of the wise and great men who take their food from the common plate and use the same knives and forks to have their meal just like you. They too tie their shoes with the same laces that you also use. Even still, with all these similarities, due to their wisdom and intellect, the world considers them courageous, unique and intelligent. When they started their journey of life, they had all the things just similar to the things you are owning now. The world sees them as being braver and smarter than others. Question number 2. Summarize the poem Equipment. In this poem, Equipment, the poet Edgar Guest was giving a piece of advice to his son. He was telling him that he has blessed with all the equipment that are hands, arms, legs, eyes and brain by Allah Almighty, which were also given to the wise and brave men of the world. The poet was asking him to make effective use of all the equipments. Effective use, musbat istamal, to lead a successful life. He was advising his son that he had all the abilities and capabilities to win the race of triumph, but the only thing that was needed by him was the courage, willpower and self-control. He must know how and when to use the equipment in a way that would help him to play a constructive role in society by attaining success. The poet was saying to his son that he would never face a failure until and unless he would not make effective use of his equipment at the right time. If he would fail, then it was totally his fault due to his own fearsome attitude. God has equipped the life of all his creatures with the same equipment. Now it was in his hands of the people either to make or break the statue of triumph. He was giving a boost to his son's morale that he must be courageous enough to face the challenges of the life, as courage was not an alien thing, but it resided within the soul of a being. Whenever you would start your work, you must, I can. You would be successful, leaving behind all the fears and failures of life. Question number 3. Write down the rhyme scheme of the poem Equipment. The rhyme scheme of the poem Equipment is A, B, B, C, C. Each stanza of the poem has 6 lines, and there are the rhyming words in the first 2 lines. Then the third and the fourth has the rhyming pattern, and similarly the fifth and the sixth have the rhyming words. Question number 4. What is theme of the poem Equipment? The theme of the poem Equipment is optimistic, focusing on the concept that all the people are blessed with the same blessings by Allah Almighty. They have all the equipment that is necessary to spice up the flavor of their life with success and triumph. Basically, it is a piece of advice that the poet is giving to his son in particular and to all the readers in general. If one uses all the equipments, blessings, in his life constructively, then there is no question of failure or loss in his life. People themselves are responsible for their fate according to the blessings, abilities, and capabilities they are using either in a positive fashion or in a negative way. Question number 5. All human beings are created equal. Explain the statement in the light of the poem Equipment. It is absolutely correct that all human beings are created equal by Allah Almighty. We all are blessed with not only our physical features, eyes, nose, arms, legs, brains, etc., but with our spiritual well-being and intellectual abilities as well. Allah has given everything to almost everyone except the few handicapped ones who are blind, deaf, and dumb. According to the poet, his son, like every other human being, has all the blessings, abilities, and talents. It is in his hands how to make effective use of them at an appropriate time to gain success. Question number 6. How do you feel after reading the poem? After reading the poem, I feel quite optimistic about my life. The poem evokes a sense of thankfulness to Almighty Allah for giving me uncountable blessings that if I use them effectively, then I would be able to meet my destiny and achieve success. Now, I feel more confident in my inbuilt talent and God-gifted abilities, which for sure I would be utilizing at the maximum to lead a successful life. Now we have MCQs. Number 1. The word equipment is used by the poet as metaphor. Number 2. The poem Equipment by Edgar Guest is the form of an advice from father to son. Number 3. The words forks, shoes, laces are used as imagery. These are poetic techniques. Number 4. The mood of the poem Equipment is optimistic. 5. What, according to the poem Equipment, is essential for someone to become a great person? It is essential for someone to become a great person. He must have willpower, courage, and self-control. Now we have vocabulary. A. Use dictionary to locate, guide, and entry words. Choose appropriate word definition. Identify pronunciation through pronunciation key. Wise, laces, equipped, rise, courage, truth. So let's see. A. Use dictionary to locate, guide, and entry words. Choose the appropriate word definition. Identify pronunciation through pronunciation key. Wise, laces, equipped, risen, courage, truth. Wise, a person who has or shows experience, knowledge, and good judgment. Laces, a cord that passed through the opposite sides of a shoe or garment and then pulled tight and fastened. Equipped, to have skills and abilities to do something. Risen, someone who ascends to glory. Courage, it is the quality of mind or spirit that enables a person to face difficulty, danger, pain, etc. without fear. Truth, definition, the sincerity in action, character, and utterance. Word pronunciation. Wise, equipped, 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 equipped. Risen, risen, risen. Courage, courage, courage. Truth, truth, truth. Number B. Write down the imagery of the poem and figure out as to what type of imagery does the poet use. In the poem Equipment, Edgar Guest has used visual imagery to enhance the concept, and the title itself is of the same nature that is related to visual aspects. Aspects mean pahlu. For instance, 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, and a brain. C. Think over the following words and write down the connotative and denotative meanings. Equipment, brain, common plate, handicap, top. First we have word, then connotative meanings, denotative meanings. Equipment, the body parts that can be used to lead a better, successful life. Denotative meanings, apparatus, the necessary items for a specific purpose. Brain, connotative meaning, intelligence, intellect, wisdom. Denotative meanings, an organ of soft nervous tissue contained in the skull of vertebrates. Denotative means dictionary meanings. Common plate, ordinary plate, a utensil. Utensils mean koi bartan. Handicap, a circumstance that makes progress or success difficult. Denotative meaning, a mental or physical disadvantage. Top, highest in position, rank or degree. Dictionary meanings, apex writing. Paraphrase the first and last stanza of the poem Equipment. Paraphrase of first stanza. Let's see. My son, you are born with all the equipment, or in the other words, blessing in the form of 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, and a brain that all the genius of wise men are born with. It is totally up to you how you are going to make effective use of them. It just depends on your own self that how you find the solutions to the problems that may come in your life. All the wise men of this world have started their journey with all these equipments that you have. Therefore, you must start your journey of life by saying it, I can. Paraphrase of the last stanza. Courage is something that resides within the soul of an individual. It depends upon the will of a person that how he uses his courage to win. My son, you have to figure out the solution to your problems yourself, as you were born with all the equipment, qualities that the other great personalities of the world were born with. They all began their journey with the equipment just like you. Now it is your turn to muster up. Muster up means to gather the courage and start your journey just by saying I can. B. Write your own words, the message of the poem Equipment, and tell how effective the message of the poem is. The message of the poem is very strong and optimistic as well. Actually, Edgar Guest, who wants to give a piece of advice to his son that he must consider himself a fortunate being, as he has all the equipment that is necessary to lead a successful life. It just depends upon his courage, willpower and self-control, that how he, by using them effectively, can achieve success in life just like other renowned and successful personalities of the world. On the other hand, if he is unable to utilize the equipment, then it is his fault of shortcoming and he should consider himself responsible for his failure or loss. The message of the poem is quite effective in creating awareness and the sense of thankfulness towards Allah Almighty in the minds of the readers, that they should try to make full use of blessings that the Creator has given them. After reading the lines of the poem, the readers must develop courage and start thinking positively about blessings they have and the abilities, skills and talents they were born with. They would be able to trust their own self and must work to achieve success in life. Now we have MCQs. Choose the correct preposition of the movement or direction in each sentence. He goes to library every morning. Number 2, he must walk across the bridge. Number 3, walk down the street and turn left. Number 4, that woman going into the supermarket is my mother. Number 5, Sana is talking to Mavish. B. Choose the correct preposition of time or place in each sentence. Stay away from the dogs, it bites. Number 2, please get off the stage, the performance is about to start. Number 3, quick, get the ball before it rolls down the hill. 4, what do you like to do on the weekend? Number 5, I haven't seen her since June. 6, we will next meet in the middle of the next month. 7. Her birthday is on the 6th June. 8. He was born at a farm. Next we have complete the following sentences using the appropriate prepositional phrases. Number 1. Except for Jamil, they all seemed pretty cordial. Number 2. To a great extent, cancer is curable. Number 3. The train was late. In spite of this, I managed to get the meeting in time. Number 4. Apart from the starter, I thought the meal was excellent. Number 5. What is the matter with you? So that's all about unit number 9. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.